Broadcast Jamaican now give the news in the Jamaican language.
People, Wagwan, this is Kadeen Marshall and make a give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, me give the headline them. Arthur Lynch, who the councillor for the Montego Bay South Division in a St. James, get tapped from work for the JLP after some claims saying back him gun past Maddy. Marissa Filbert, who the Speaker for the House of Representatives and the Member of Parliament for Trelawney South, are upon trial on February 21 for dash rubbish outside of one car. The government said them are going to put in tougher penalty for prisoner who them catch with phone and for people who carrying phone to the prisoner them. Make sure you follow our YouTube page Broadcast Jamaican for hear more news and like the video after you done listen. Now for the full tour of them. Arthur Lynch, who are the councillor for the Montego Bay South Division in a St. James, get tapped from work for the JLP after some claim make saying back him gun past Maddy. The JLP Secretariat said this yesterday afternoon. Some reports say Mr. Lynch back him gun pan him wife in a one cas. The JLP said them disciplinary committee are going to look in our guan and tell the central executive so them can take action. Marissa Filbert, who are the Speaker for the House of Representatives and the Member of Parliament for Trelawney South, are going on trial on February 21 for dash rubbish outside of one car. The court date set yesterday when Mrs. Filbert and the two other smaddy who get charged with her go court. The three of them get charged on August 15 for go against the National Solid Waste Management Act after claim make so them get catch a dash garbage near the Salem Main Road in a St. Anne. Peter Champagne, who them liar, say them know them a go win the case cause them never dash no garbage out of no car. The government said them a go put in tougher penalty for prisoner who them catch with phone and for people who carrying phone to the prisoner them. The MP them did attack in the House of Representatives yesterday about the Corrections Amendment Act where try cut down on illegal things we are going at the prison them. As according to Dr. Horace Chang, or the Minister for National Security, with the new technology things them are coming, this make the law them what they about now outdated and now have no use. Him said them change have to make cause prisoners still a use phone for the criminal things all when them they are prison. If them change a make, prisoner who get catch with phone for the first time can spend up to 7 years in a prison, and if you get catch a second time, you can spend up to 15 years. One man who them claims a rape one woman get shot and killed in a 11 miles Bull Bay St. Thomas yesterday morning. People only know him as Chop Chop. As according to the police report, little after 1 yesterday morning, the woman did come from one wake in a 11 miles. When she go home, one man hold her up and rape her. Superintendent Alison Byfield, or the commanding officer for St. Thomas, said people call them and tell them say one man get shot up. The woman come on the scene and tell the police that him are the man who rape her. All woman dead after one car lick her down on the Balaclava to Content Main Road in a St. Elizabeth. The dead woman, a 68 years old Ewa Lee Morris, who come from Bethlehem side in a St. Elizabeth. As according to the police report, around 5 p.m., Miss Morris did a try cross the road when she stepped out in a one car while lick her down. She dead at hospital. Now for sports. Prime Minister Andrew Holness give Lillian Thompson her diplomatic passport. Last October, Thompson here did get the Order for Distinction Commander class because of what she do for the country through sports. The Prime Minister said thank Thompson here for everything what she do in the country and he wants she continue broke record and make more people know about Jamaica. People, remember the curfew from 9 p.m. in the night to 5 in the morning. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that are the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Broadcast Jamaican just give the news in the Jamaican language.